Hey guys, today we are going to try to melt these, you probably can't see that, lead pellets for a pellet gun with a propane torch. I do not know if these are going to work. I kind of assume because it's lead that it will work, but I really have no idea. Uh-oh. Yay, it's melting! Do not breathe that fume in. Solid thing of lead now. Whoa, it's molten. It's so cool. Can you get me that little piece of pipe? You can stick it in there. I have no idea. Oh, did I? Whoa, it's like separating.
It's lifting from the bottom.
We're gonna light the freaking wood table on fire.
Whoa, it's moving.
I just melted my camera. I'm gonna knock it in the driveway, see what it does.
Really?
Wait, okay, see what it does. Oh. Point it to the driveway right there.
There you go.
Whoa!
Whoa, look at this table.
That's our table. Okay, don't melt lead on a wooden table. Lesson 1.
Wait, let's try and flip it over somehow.
I would not touch that, but
Not even.
dude, it's so light. Where's all the lead?
What? I can flip it over. Oh god. Oh.
My camera's green. Is that bad? Well, thanks for watching.